Hi, let me show you how to change icon size on Samsung Galaxy A36. For that, we need to go ahead and open settings. And now start scrolling down till we can see home screen tab. Then you will find this slider for app size, with the help of which you can make icons bigger or smaller. To make them smaller, just drag the dot to the left side, which is the smallest option. And this is how it will look. This is default option and this one is the biggest option. Now, if you decide to make icons small like that, you can make them even smaller, and for that you need to go in home screen grid and from 4:6 switch to 5:6. With this way you can fit more apps on your home screen and also make them smaller, as you can see. You can also change this app screen. For that you need to go here and also switch to 5:6, and this is how it will look right now. So let's go back in settings and I'm gonna change it to the default option and then show you how to make them bigger. So for that we can go in display, here find screen zoom, and you can increase it like that, and this will also increase icon size a bit, or you can decrease it like this. This will also influence icon size just a bit. I'm gonna leave it like that and save changes. And also we got this easy mode, which makes text and on-screen items appear larger. It also increases touch and hold delete to prevent accidental actions and provides a high contrast keyboard for a better readability. You can tap here and enable easy mode. This is how it will look. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.